I love tea.
Everyone knows that. So when I learned that the largest tea farm in West Africa is in Nigeria, I just had to add this location to my northern Nigerian tour. I wanted to see how tea was made, and so I journeyed from Jalingo to Kakara on the Mambilla Plateau. This was such an experience. So deep.
So rock your Lexus, throw your keys up, stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Come take it to the floor. Yeah.
Morning. I'm currently at Highland Tea Estate. Who knew they had a huge estate? I've not seen that online. My God just used these random strangers to help me. So I got in at night, my reservation was made, and you will not believe this place is 5,000 naira. Let's go and see the estate. And I want to learn how tea is made. To the nearest plot where the tea farm laborers had begun work for the day, and so my journey began. That seemed cheeky, but yeah, I headed out to the farm. Okay, by around 11, when they are done pruning, the tractors come and back them and they will weigh the kg because they are paid per kg. All these plots, they have numbers. A nylon on the bottom part of their clothes to, absorb the wetness. My jeans are soaked. My morning began on such a beautiful note in this serene environment. It was the start of the rainy season, so farming had begun and trees had started producing fruits. Most importantly, I loved the weather. It reminded me of home. That other one is big.
Yes.
That one. But this one, maybe because of the tree.
No.
Is it the tree?
No,
Or they have not?
the tree.
They are not big yet.
They are not big yet.
But even this one. Okay.
I made efforts to see the factory where the tea is processed, and because I did not give prior notice, it took me a while to get to meet the director, factory manager, and so on to be allowed into the factory. In the meantime, I headed to the solar powerhouse and lake responsible for supplying 24-hour electricity to the Highland estate and its environs. The Mambilla Beverages Nigeria Limited is the company responsible for the production of the naturally blended Highland tea and Highland green tea in Kakara Mambilla. Fun fact, tea is plucked all year round on this estate. Personally, I think there is more potential here. The station could be more equipped to generate electricity to a wider range and not just the estate and communities closest to the estate. That stage. So what now happened? Is it because rain? This place is so gorgeous, I can't even. Visiting Lake Sijin was so calming, I didn't want to leave. But I had to go back if I really wanted to see how tea was processed to the final product I so much love. Okay, I know see. No problem. I literally removed my stuff because I'm looking for fruits. See how this one fly. This one just flew up. These guys. I think it's blackberries. Like blackberries are just out in the open like this. It's so much. It's fruit season, so every fruit you just get every fruit. And also my phone is not getting overheated because the weather is so cool. I want to move to this place. I'm sorry, I just want to move here. My bike rider thought of this brilliant idea to stop by the roadside and pluck some fruits over the hill. And then he thought of a more brilliant idea to get me to do it with him. Long story short, my gin tour. Yes, my gin tour. This is it. I think Google image to see the name of this fruit. They look like berries. I love my skin in this place. Like, oh my gosh. I don't feel like going. It has a kind of sticky vibe to it. It's sweet. And then it has like a sticking into, you know how when you eat guava that is not really ripe, how it sticks to your mouth. That's how this is. But it's nice. Update, I am waiting for the acting MD. He said to come around 1 and then I came and he has gone for break. So I'm just waiting. After getting proper interviewed, understandable, I was assigned someone to take me around the factory. I learned so much about Highland tea and the stages of making tea itself. Unfortunately, majority of the process I was not allowed to show, but it's fine really to be even allowed where I would ordinarily not be able to visit without prior approval. Sometimes confidence is all you need and a little bit of faith, like a mustard seed. Highland tea is the only tea producer in West Africa with approximately 4,000 laborers plucking daily. It was commissioned in 1985 by General Muhammadu Buhari, and can you believe the original equipment is still being used? A typical tea plant can last 200 years, during which they are pruned once they grow tall. This is to show the tea farms at Kakara still have a long way to live. The plucked tea is weighted individually at the farms and collectively at the factory for reconfirmation before laborers get paid. Next, the tea leaves are withered to dry, crushed, fermented to kill foreign bodies, dried, graded, and packaged. The first 3 grades of tea are sold to packers who come from all around West Africa to take for their own companies to repackage. You get the 4th grade, which is the fiber. Well, you have to visit the factory to know what it's used for. There's so much more to learn, but you may have to visit this amazing place to experience it yourself. Having been satisfied with learning about tea making, it was time to head to Gembu, about 3 hours away and the most popular town in the Mambilla Plateau. Follow me on this trip to the highest point in Nigeria by subscribing to my channel and putting on your post notification bell to know when the video comes up. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment below in the comment section. Bye!